Good evening, everyone. My name is Michelle, and I'm enrolled in the Python class batch B, and I was tutored by Coach Stephen Adediram. So today I'll be presenting a Python project based on a real-life game called Rock Paper Scissors. So this game was originated in China, and the concept of the game is that we have three main characters playing rock, paper, and scissors. So it's just like the real life instance when we're all playing rock beats scissors and scissors beats paper and paper beats rock. So that's the same concept of the code. So here on my first line of code, you can see I have import random. So random is a model, and this is a model that helps us access different functions. And an example of this function in this code is random.choice. So I'm just going to play this game quickly. So first thing, so it's going to ask me what is my choice. So we have R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. So I'm going to pick rock. So it means there is a time, meaning that the computer also chose rock. So the computer chose rock because like this random.choice gives the computer the ability to pick between rock, paper, and scissors at random. So if I chose
Thank you. Everybody, come on, let's give it up for Michelle. That was beautiful. Thank you. You did amazing job in the very little time you have. Thank you so much. If everybody can be like Michelle or even better, amazing. Thank you so much.